The first step to sell digital products on Google Sites is to simply create your landing page. So for this, we're going to use Google Sites. So we're going to have to simply create a site. And then what we're going to have to do next is simply add our digital product. So here you can simply type in your title. As you can see, you can add images if you want. So you can simply click on upload from here, and you can simply select the images from your computer. You can also add content blocks. So here, as you can see, we can simply enter the title of our digital product, and here a description, and here we can add a preview, an image. Now, what we're gonna have to do next is simply add a button. So we're gonna have to simply make sure to type in buy now, and here we're gonna have to enter a link. Now, in order to do that, we're gonna have to use this website. I'm gonna leave the link to it in this video description. So once you create your free account, you're gonna have to simply go to products, and then here click on add product. We're gonna have to select digital product, and here we can simply name it. So we can name it however we want. We can enter the price, and we can add a product image. Now here we're gonna have to upload our digital product. So I'm gonna sell this ebook in PDF format. Now here, if you want, you can add a description. Here you can simply make it visible, invisible, and unlisted. So make sure to select visible, and here you have advanced option. As you can see, this product is tax exempt. Product is an ebook, so we can select this if we want, if you're selling an ebook. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on add product. And now we're gonna have to take this link and paste it here. So we're gonna have to paste it, and then we can simply place it wherever we want. Now we're gonna have to publish this website. So as you can see here, we can simply name it however we want. We can use the Google Sites domain, or we can connect a custom one if we want, then click on publish. Now once we do that, we can simply click on view, and then we're gonna get redirected to our landing page. And whenever we click on buy now, we're gonna get redirected here, and we can buy it. Now here in Payhip, you're gonna have to set up your account. So you're gonna have to go to account, then settings, and then make sure here it says payment details to link your PayPal account or Stripe in order to get paid so you can sell your digital products. And basically that's it. And it's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.